Michael Daskalakis here, and today I'm going to talk about the one personality trait you should avoid in your social circle. Now, this video was suggested by my subscriber Tom P. So as always, let me know in the comments what you want the next video to be. And Tom, I really hope this video helps you. I'm making this for you. So he asked me about his social circle and what kind of people to let into your life. Now, we've all heard that we're the average of the 5 people that we are closest to. The average income, the average health, and the average happiness. In the book Connected, I can't recall the author right now, he scientifically proves that the people around us determine a lot of our life outcomes. And even so, your friends' friends who you may not know are correlated to your income, health, and happiness. So people you don't even know have an effect on your life. And this is the importance of choosing who you let in. Now, surrounding yourself with a positive environment and people that positively feed you and also expecting the best from people brings out great things. So before I get into that one toxic personality trait, I want to suggest that you practice acceptance with people around you, because that is one of, I think, the higher order states of being, where you accept people for who they are without judgment, and that allows them to bring out the better aspects of their personality. So what is this one trait that you should avoid in people? It is called narcissism. Scientists have proven that in narcissists, gray matter in the area of the brain associated with empathy is decreased. So it's a biological state. A narcissist is characterized by an inflated sense of self and also a lack of empathy. And those two traits come together to create narcissists, which is really dangerous to have around you. So I'm suggesting you reduce time with them or cut them out of your life completely. Now, what is a narcissist? It's someone that maybe is always late when you have an arrangement, but that second that you're a second late, they burst out and have an outrage because that is lack of empathy and self-importance. You've offended their self-importance and they don't have the empathy to realize that they're always late. Another example is someone that always texts late, but when they expect a response from you right away, might spam you with messages while you're not responding. So again, this is a product of decreased gray matter in the brain associated with empathy. Now, cutting out people is quite difficult to do, and I suggest you reduce time with them steadily and do that. Some people suggest you cut them out completely, ignore them, but this might encourage an outburst or an outrage because again it might offend self-esteem. So Tom, avoid narcissists. There are personality tests on the internet. One's called the Dark Triad that lets you know about the dark personality traits. So you might want to fill them out as if you're that person to see where they score. Or if you can, it's a bit difficult, get these people to take these tests so you can identify narcissists and cut them out of your life. So I really hope this helps. Avoid narcissists and notice it's a biological condition. Thank you.